Hey guys, welcome. So do you want to activate your Globe eSIM but not sure how? This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process to get your eSIM up and running in your phone. So firstly guys, you need to ensure that your phone supports eSIM. So for example, phone models like iPhones, Samsung and some Android models. After that, go to the settings, cellular, and add cellular plan on iPhone, or SIM Manager on Android to see if eSIM is available. After that, you need to visit a Globe store or check the Globe One app for eSIM availability. If buying from a store, they'll provide a QR code for activation. After that, you need to scan a QR code, open your phone's SIM settings and select the Add eSIM. Scan the QR code given by the Globe. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. After that, last step is activation. Ensure mobile data is turned on. Restart your phone if needed. Go to Settings, Mobile Networks, and set your eSIM as the default line for calls and data. And that's basically it, guys. Now your card is ready to be used for data and calls. Like, subscribe, and share for more tech tutorials like this, and thank you for watching.